Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a good day. As always, my name is Michael and thanks for joining me. So it is official, the market downturn slash correction slash cracks, all of this stuff is here. Right, I wanted to make this video pretty much earlier in the week, but I'm glad I waited till now because it's not just one day of bad trading or 2 days of bad trading, it's 3 days. Right? And a lot of people feel like, oh my God, what should I do? I'm panicking. You know, maybe I just got into investing and my first week, I'm losing a lot of money, right? And that doesn't feel good, right? So what do I do? Well, I can't tell you what to do personally because I'm not your financial advisor, but I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do. Nothing. Right? Absolutely nothing. All of this stuff has been predicted for a while. I've even been saying it on my channel, right? As far back as like 5 months ago, that you know what, the growth that we've had is just so phenomenal that there's just no way it can continue, right? There's just been almost no downside to investing for the past like 2 years that I've been personally investing with Wealthfront. I know a lot of you guys already know that, but it's just been a very good ride. And so yeah, it's to be expected that eventually things will slow down a little bit. You're gonna have a few bad days on the market, right? You're gonna have a few bad weeks or months on the market. All of that stuff is normal. And I'm actually really happy that a lot of the radio and the television stuff that I'm seeing is actually saying, you know what guys, as not fun as this is, it is totally normal. But you know, that doesn't necessarily make you feel any better in the moment when you see your account portfolio went down, you know, maybe 2, 3, 4+% in a single day. That does not feel or look good, but it is normal, right? So here's the main thing that I would tell you to do. Number one, turn all that stuff off. Turn off the TV, the radio, the podcast, whatever you're listening to, maybe even this video. If it's giving you cause for concern about your investment portfolio, just turn it off, right? All it is noise in a short amount of time, right? This is a snapshot. This is 1 week and the grand scheme of the entire stock market. So you cannot let 1 week determine what you're going to do in the long run when it comes to investing. So number one thing to do, turn it off. Number two, just take a deep breath and realize it will all be okay. And it really will, guys. You know, unless something absolutely insane happens, in the grand scheme of things, things will be totally fine. Right? You know, one thing that I'd like to do for an exercise in proving this is let's play a game and find out what would happen if we panic and just say, look, let's just get out of the market right now. I can't handle this volatility. I don't want to lose any money. I can't play this game anymore. I'm taking all my money out. Right? Let's find out what would happen if I were to take my money out today and what more than likely would happen in the future if I decide to do that. And to set this game up, let's play with the assumption that I got into investing for the long run, right? Not to say, hey, I'm going to invest and in 5 years I'm going to take my money out, or in 5 months I'm going to take my money out. That is not why I got into investing. This is a very, very, very long-term game that I'm playing, right? I got into the market because more than likely the return on investment that I can make with my money in the market is better than a savings account or a low-yield CD or a money market, right? So that's why I got into the stock market, right? And even though I do passive investing with Wealthfront, there's still a greater chance for me to have a higher return on investment in the market. Right, so let's say I want to take these funds out, I don't know, at 60 years old, right around like the normal retirement age. Okay, well, I turned 30 this year, right? So that means I've got 30 more years worth of investing to do before I take this money out. Right, well, I can't predict what's going to happen in 30 years, but what we can do is find out what happened over the past 30 years. Right, so what I did earlier is I found out what the Dow Jones Industrial Average was at on May 5th, 1988, the day I was born, and guess what? It was at 2,036 points. Well, considering that we've lost, what, 2,500 plus points this week, and we're still a little over 23,000, that means that in those 30 years, it went up tenfold. Right? And that's just within the last 30 years. Rewind the clock even further back and the growth is that much more noticeable. So yes, I know now's not a fun time, especially if you're in the position where you are retiring in the next couple of years or the next couple of months. I get it. It's not a fun time. But if you're 18, 19, 20, 30s, you're just getting into investing and you feel like, whoa, I was not prepared for this, it is okay. It's normal. Right? So, I can't guarantee what happens for the next 30 years, in the next 5 years, whatever the time frame is. There's no way to predict it. But what I can do is look back at the entire history of the Dow, and that one picture, and this is what it looks like, it makes me feel okay because I'm pretty sure this trend is going to continue over time. But guys, that's what I want to talk about today. I know it's not a fun period for investing, but at the end of the day, all of this stuff is normal. It is okay. It's no cause to just totally panic. But you know what? Everyone is different. So definitely let me know what you think in the comments section down below. How do you feel about this time? Are you going to make any changes to your portfolio? Regardless of what your answer is, I'm curious to find out. But thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. You know what to do. But take care. I'll see you guys next time. Hey guys, I know I just said this stuff, but let me say it again. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate all the support that you guys give me. And to support you, here's 2 more videos that I've made in the past in case you haven't seen them. Don't forget to share these with your friends and family so we can help all the people achieve their financial goals. Likewise, if there's anything that you would want to see made that you haven't seen thus far, definitely don't hesitate to let me know. But thanks again, take care, and have a good day.